Hi, hello, welcome to Spark Electronics. In this video, I will explain about our school broadcast system. This all are our school broadcast system slave unit. It will be installed in the every classes. This unit will be installed in the every classes. Okay, connections are very simple. I will tell you connection later. Next, I will show the master control unit. This is our master control unit. It contains master control unit, master speaker unit. Okay, in this control unit there is a display is there. You want to communicate room number 1, just you press room number 1. Actually here I connected room number 8. I pressing room number 8 and okay. Okay, now in this speaker whatever they are talking we can listen from here. Shaban, you can talk in it, right?
Hello, hello, hello.
That's it. Next again if you give okay, it will be speak mode. We are giving cordless mic option also and wired mic option also. Okay, anything you can use. There is a cordless mic. Just try on. I'm speaking.
Hello, hello, hello.
Okay, you can now.
Hello.
Connection is very simple. Even though if you have hundreds of room, if you want to exit, just end all. Okay, connection is very simple. I given the power for this master control unit through 12 volt adapter. In this one RJ45 jack will be there. That output connected to master speaker unit, and here also one jack will be there. That is going to one unit input. Again output goes to next unit input, like that. Give one in, one out. It will be parallel connection only. If you by mistakenly if you can remove and connect here. Like input output ulta also there is no issue. Okay, we are giving SOS option also. If anything wrong in the classroom we can short this two wire. There is one push button you can connect. If you short these two wires now, you can see SOS alert in the screen. There is two levels of alert. This is first level. Exit. Putting two white wire. There is push button we can connect. Okay. Emergency room number 9. Auto listen mode. If you just press OK, you can speak also. In mic you can speak. It will be audible in the class. Okay, immediately. Again press na, it will goes to listen mode. Simple. There is one more option is the slave ID change mode. For that you have to enter 333. Then it will ask for the old slave ID. Old slave ID I am typing as 9. Okay. A new slave ID is asking. I am giving something around any number you can give. I am giving 14. Okay. Send command successful. For testing purpose, you give short the two wires now. You can instead of 9, you can get the instead of 9 you are getting the 14. Okay, this is the thing. This is a change slave ID change mode. This is a customizable solution. Whatever we want, we can do the thing. In this Bluetooth option also we are giving. This is FM option, AUX input option. You can give the AUX input. Pen drive also you can access it. Here. Bass treble you can control. Echo mic is there, no? Mic echo you can connect. One second, I will give the mic option for you. 14. Okay. Listen mode, speak mode. You can talk in the mic.
Hello, hello.
Now echo level is minimum. I am making echo. I am increasing. Like that echo also you can make. Okay, so like that echo also you can control everything. In this panel it is option is there. If you want to make any common announcement like leave announcement or any emergency announcement, anything else, or you want to play national anthem or any songs through Bluetooth or conducting player through Bluetooth and mic, so we are giving option as all call mode. You just press this button and you can speak in the microphone or play the music from the Bluetooth. We can access this button through this button, alcohol mode through this button, as well as two-wire solution also. You just short these two wires through one push button and make the announcement also. Too easy to access. If any other doubt, you can contact us. Thank you.